Good morning, Menopause Success casual conversation people. I'm so excited that you're here today, and I'm excited to share. We're going to talk about um, the health of your hair going through menopause. And I know some of you are probably going, what does she know about this? She has this beautiful full hair. But I'll tell you, I've worked at it. And yes, I was blessed with some good hair genetics. But my hair has changed through menopause. So I want to share that with you and just talk about how menopause can affect your hair. Because if you notice a lot more hair in the drain or on your chin, it's likely due to hormonal changes during menopause. And so, as your estrogen and your progesterone levels decline, your luscious locks might turn to dry, brittle, and dull. So, we got to talk about that because I want you to look as vibrant and beautiful as you can and feel good living in this changing body. So, you also might notice some hair loss or more hair in some undesirable places. So let's take a look at why your hair changes during menopause. And we'll go over what's happening on your head and the rest of your body and give you the best tips on supporting healthy hair during your menopausal years and helping you maintain intimate wellness during menopause, because that's what our casual conversations are all about. So we put our hair through a lot during our lifetime. Remember, if you've had children, I remember after I had my boys, I lost a ton of hair. And what was happening was my hormones were shifting. So the same thing happens as we go through perimenopause and into menopause. And this has to do with estrogen and progesterone and testosterone. Yes, women, you have testosterone too. So, as a crucial part of your intimate health, estrogen and progesterone are playing these important roles in the growth of your hair. Healthy levels of these hormones allow hair to grow quickly and stay on your head for a longer period of time. So, as these hormone levels start to decline, the supportive structure for healthy, thick hair is no longer there. So, we have to do different things to help with that. And we'll get into that. In addition, your body still produces the same level of androgen hormones, which can shrink hair follicles, causing hair to fall out and not grow back. According to researchers, over 50% of women over the age of 50 experience some level of hair loss. And finally, as your hormone production slows down, your scalp produces less sebum, or the oil that your hair needs and promotes moisture and shine. So it's important to shampoo less often, maybe get introduced to a dry shampoo product. I use a company called Prose, Prose, and they take you through a really comprehensive guide questionnaire to dialing in a specific recipe for your hair care products. So mine are fragrance free, gluten free, um, uh, no phthalates or other heavy surfactants, sulfites, and things like that that can disrupt your hormones. You can go to ewg.org and look at all of the chemicals that you can highlight and look for when you're looking at shampoos to buy. And if they have any of that list, stay away from them because they're no good in your body products or your hair care products. And they do disrupt their hormones. So even though your hormones might be balanced, then using products like that can disrupt that hormone balance by mixed messages that those chemicals are sending to your hormone receptor sites. So that's another topic, but I just wanted to mention that a little bit. Also, consider your lifestyle. Eat a diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Get ample healthy fats to encourage that sebum production to continue. Exercise and sleep also play a crucial role in your overall health, which can support the health of your hair. I do my collagen supplement every day too. as well as my smoothie that you've all seen me sipping on in some of my videos. When it comes to dryness, you might consider changing your hair care routine. Like I said, using more clean beauty products, reducing the number of times you wash your hair during the week. I'm down to once a week washing my hair and I do a deep conditioner before I wash it. So just nurturing these ends. It's quite a process to wash my hair, even once a week. So let's address some of the unwanted hair elsewhere during menopause. So it's bad enough finding clumps of hair in the drain, right, or in your hairbrush, but you may also be facing these unwanted hairs on your chin or your chest or other areas. And the reason why this new growth happens is because as this estrogen and progesterone production slow down, your body still produces testosterone, which causes this bit of imbalance in the body. So since you don't produce as much estrogen to counter the certain effects of testosterone, you may see these hairs popping up in places that you've never seen them before. So you can also talk to your healthcare provider if you have rapidly growing facial hair or other hair on your body that's not normal. This may be a sign of something more serious going on. I know women who suffer from PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, when they're a little bit younger. This is one of the things that that present during that time is more facial hair. So it could be something else going on. And it's always a good idea to check in with your primary healthcare provider. So, sometimes hormone replacement therapy or birth control can be used to reduce unwanted hair or facial hair growth. But I would just suggest to stick to the old standard of tweezing, waxing, or sugaring your way to that hair away. So I hope that you found, this information helpful. If you want to find the recipes in my book, Aromatherapy for Menopause Success, you can find that on Amazon. And I have some products on my website, angelasidlo.com, that could help you as well. Until tomorrow, I wish you all a beautiful day and all of the best. And I hope you have some nice full locks that you can be sporting within the next few months. All right. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you soon.